Alright guys, so here is the DC Sports cold air intake system. It bolts on right here to the throttle body. This goes down, mass airflow sensor connects here, goes down here, and into the fender liner. The car's not lowered, but it will be lowered. I'm looking to probably lower it on either IVAC springs or I'll do Skunk 2 coils. Probably go with coils, but haven't really decided just yet. But anyways, yep, cold air intake's in there and it's getting water splashed up even through the splash guard. So might as well just clean it up and upgrade it. Even though it's a short ram intake, it's engine brand, so it should be nice. I've got a battery relocation, so it's in the trunk. The filter will be here, and I'm also planning to get a carbon fiber hood with hood vents, so it'll also vent out a lot of heat, so that filter might be able to get a little bit more airflow to it. Next, after you've gotten that pipe off, then you remove this one. This one is bolted on, which I just removed it by one bolt located right there where that bolt's popping out. It's kind of hard to see, but that's where it is. And then you can remove the intake from the fender side. To remove it, there's a screw located right about here. It's in there, and then you can take it off unless you have quick releases, then you just pull it off. Okay, so I just went ahead and finished it. So there's the short ram intake, and it's engine brand, as you can tell. Tighten those back to there. So those right there, still screws. But it's got like a nice sparkly black like a paint to it, or anodized paint, whatever it's called. But it's yep, fully installed now, and there's all that room there now. So it's just a huge thing of room. So now it won't suck up water anymore.